Hi everybody, so I wanted to pop on here really quickly and just tell you that my Lilac Fairy Workshop registration is open. I will be doing variation workshops here and there online. We're also going to do basic beginner workshops. I have a bunch of ideas for everything, but this month we are beginning with the Lilac Fairy variation. If you're on my email list, you already know this and had the chance to pre-register, but I do still have some slots open, so I have linked it below. We will be, over the course of 3 Saturdays, working on the Lilac Fairy variation. We are going to be talking about the history of it. We're going to be talking about the character. We're going to be learning the steps and finessing it. This is not a one-time learn it, move on. So we're really going to dive deep into all these variations that we're going to be doing moving forward. But I wanted to let you all know, if anybody wants to grab one of those last spots, you can sign up for it. I would love to have you. I will be doing these periodically, so if you want to be made aware of these workshops, whether they are for variations or for basics or whatever we decide to do, I might do some point ones as well, be sure to sign up for my email list, which I will also link below, so you don't miss out on anything. So I know I haven't done a lot of videos on here lately, but I have been traveling a lot to judge YAGP, so that's where I have been. We will get back to a lot of the ballet videos soon. But I just wanted to let you all know that that registration is open and live, and I can't wait to work with you guys on this beautiful, beautiful solo. So links below. Love you all so much, and hope to see you there. This is why I didn't do Lilac Fairy. This is why I didn't do Lilac Fairy.